firstly 2020 में जब attempt देना था, so I already had a PPO, but as you know कि वो delay हो गया था मेरा joining थोड़ा सा, तो I wasn't sure, I did not have a offer letter in my hand, so I was like पता नहीं यहाँ पे तो मतलब थोड़ा dicey situation लग रहा है, तो I thought maybe I could give a shot for CAT. So फिर I started with the prep, as you know, along with you, and then I was doing good enough with DI, LR and quants. I struggled with verbal a lot. But then on the very day of exam, I remember I started with verbal, and I knew that I hadn't done quite well in verbal, and then I was like DI, LR में तो अच्छा हो जाएगा, अपना strong area है. But then I started realizing कि first set solve नहीं हुआ. Maybe मुझे बहुत बार बोला गया था ये कि पहले skim through करो. Try to know what sets you can maybe attempt for the very first time, which you are comfortable with. But I maybe could not recall that fact in the pressure maybe. तो फिर एक सेट नहीं हुआ, फिर thoughts के started coming into my mind, अब क्या होगा, सर क्या बोलेंगे, पापा क्या बोलेंगे, things like that. And then I remember DILR थोड़ा decent enough हुआ था, but then as I went to quant, फिर मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था, I was like feeling very low. I thought अब पता नहीं क्या होगा, quant में तो बहुत high score करना पड़ेगा, and time was sticking out. And then
all these other thoughts started coming in.
Yes, that I couldn't control them, first thing. Otherwise अगर उतना मेरे में power होता कि no, let's keep these thoughts aside and maybe focus on the paper, अभी तो paper दे रही हूँ, so that could have helped. But the presence of mind is very important, I believe, and I couldn't control that somehow. But anyway, I had calls from CAP and IIM Kozhikode. I couldn't convert IIM Kozhikode, but I had converted all the colleges from the CAP round. But then I decided that I did not want to opt for I think जब तक results आए थे तब तक I already had joined GenPack, and then I thought कि let's maybe have some work experience and then go for CAT.
But wasn't that okay at that point of time, okay, you know, taking the decision of dropping? You already had IIMs okay in hand, okay.
Yeah.
Job था, ठीक है, चलो job, you know, job has got its own challenge कि job के साथ पढ़ाई करना. And you had realized, okay, the fact, okay, of, you know, the pressure of the exam had actually screwed up, okay, your first attempt, okay.
Yes.
So what came to your mind again? What was that one moment that decided कि, you know, इस बार तो नहीं करेंगे, अगली बार देखते हैं?
पहली बात तो ऐसा मैंने सोच लिया था कि since I had a job in hand, I thought I'll maybe have at least like 1.5 or 2 years of experience. मुझे पता था कि if I would have given it the very next year, मेरे पास at max 1.5 year का experience होता. So I was like, maybe I can give this a shot. तो फिर I did not want to opt for IIMs other than Blackie. So I thought maybe उतना मेरे में belief था कि I knew कि I could. इस साल कोझिकोड का call आया तो next year also I'll make it. And moreover थोड़ा work ex का भी points add हो जाएगा. And resume improve हो जाएगा anyway. तो फिर I thought कि maybe I should give it a shot. तो इसीलिए I thought कि let's go ahead, and this time since I knew what mistakes I had made during my CAT 2020 attempt, I thought in 21 I'll make sure that this doesn't happen again.